All right, we're here at one of my favorite places, Martinez Cracklings in downtown El Paso with the chicharrones. This time they're gonna show us how they make stuff. Let me take you into their little retail store first. It's tiny. Angel, would you like to go first? Oh yeah, this place is super small, okay? Like Angel's at one end, I'm at the other end. This is as big as it gets. It's really just meant for you to come in, grab stuff, and get out. Now, what do you get here? This is my personal favorite. This is like that other video that went viral. It's chicharrón con carne. I just love it because it's like meat and the fatty stuff, but then you got it without the meat. It's got a little bit of meat, but mostly fat. And then you got the small cracklings. They also have carnitas, shredded or just whole, and they have colita de pavo. When you buy a pound of carnitas or colita de pavo, you get tortillas and some salsa. They also sell salsa over here. This red one is extremely spicy. Beware of the restroom the next day if you eat a bunch of this. I've experienced that firsthand. You got some drinks. They also sell tortillas here as well. These are the ones that are brought in fresh daily. That's why they're in a cooler, because they're hot. They're like the ones that they bring in they're like in paper, but they're like extremely hot. I guess I'm touching them. They're not extremely hot, but they're like warm, you know what I mean? Over here, you got some other tortillas. They have these all the time, I think. And then you got some jalapenos, some patapatillo, some more cracklings. And then everywhere you look, I'm sure you're gonna do some B-roll of this, there's pigs. There's just little pigs everywhere. Just a little subliminal, you know, this is what we're eating. And dude, this is like in a part of El Paso that I don't think a lot of people come to. So it's like unassuming. It's a real gem. Because I've tried these chicharrón con carne in a lot of places, and sometimes it's too fatty, sometimes it's not salty enough, or it's way too salty. I think these guys just got it right. And when I was talking to the owner, David, he's telling me how it took them a while to get this recipe. I'm excited to show you the back, Angel, because they've got these huge cubes. It feels like it's like something out of Minecraft when you go into the, what is that place, the like hell?
Yeah, like the abyss or like whatever it's called.
The abyss, it's not the underworld. It's not the abyss, it's 100% not the abyss. One thing I want to point out, I guess, of what makes this place so cool is like the like this brick, this little brick arch. I don't know what it is, but it just like it adds a level of authenticity that I don't think a lot of places have, because this place has been here for a long time. Or at least it makes me feel that way. I gotta ask David, but that's just wanted to point out like all the decoration and stuff. It makes me feel like I'm traveling, really. Yeah. Even though I know it's my own culture, it just makes me feel like I'm traveling. Okay, we're coming into the back now. That's it. David, I think we're ready to go in the back and explore how everything is made.
You ready?
Yeah, we're ready to go. What do you think, Angel? You want me to hold my camera, or are you good with yours?
I think I'm good.
Yeah? All right, let's do it.
Whoa, this is cool. Whoa, that's legit.
Oh yeah, watch your step, because it's like, why is it slippery? Is it grasa?
Pretty much.
That's cool. All right, let me explain to you everything David explained to me. This is called like mini paella. So it's like these small pork cracklings with a little bit of fat. And over here is, he said it's called chicharrón de cuero, the crackling that is just like the skin. So it's got very little fat. And also the floors are slippery because I think there's like fat everywhere. So it's just like, woo! Then there's, I honestly forgot the name of this one, but it's like, it's got more fat. ¿Cómo se llama otra vez?
Chicharrón de peña.
Chicharrón de peña. It's got de peña. We're not yet at, I call it chicharrón con carne, the other one, but I'm sure they have another name. But this one has very little meat. The other one has a lot of meat, but this one has more fat and it's bigger.
I was wondering what the difference was between all of these.
Yeah, I guess it's the meat and fat. It's like you're taking off the meat and then you're taking off the fat, right?
Well, actually, they come from different parts of the pig as well.
Oh, so they do come from different parts of the pig. Yeah, these two cracklings come from.
Pork cracklings, pork skins.
Pork skins comes from the belly, and these come from the back. The other crazy thing he told me the other day is the one that I really like. He said it's just basically bacon.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's just a huge slab of bacon.
Bacon with the rice that was chopped.
¿Podemos pasar? Dude, this is crazy. Let me turn on the light for you.
Whoa, it's smoky in here.
Está caliente. Está bien caliente. ¿Pero no quieres pasar? Ándale.
¿No necesito un máscara?
No, no, así está bien, yo me la pongo porque sí andamos mucho acá.
Ah, okay, muy bien.
I'm just concerned about the mask.
Whoa, it is hot in here.
Dude, didn't I tell you it's like Minecraft. It's like you came to like...
Dude, whoa, that's crazy. That's pretty intense. Oh my gosh. Are these like the different stages?
Yeah, I think there's different stages. Well, no, and also they just have so much to produce that they need all this.
Wow.
Because they wholesale.
Oh yeah, they're wholesale. Got all of that.
Watch out with a crackling. Oh. Right behind it. Ah, okay.
Wow.
This is the bacon.
Dude, it's so smoky.
Dude, it's so smoky.
Wow.
Oiga, ¿y por qué tienen tantos de estos? ¿Cómo se llaman estos?
Caso,
Sí.
lo hacemos mucho.
Porque hacen mucho, no tienen diferentes.
Todavía no acabamos.
Oh, sí, les falta todavía.
50.
Wow.
Oh, woo! That was a shot. That was a shot. Another shot. Beautiful. Slowly backing away.
Slowly backing away.
Dude, look at how I'm sweating. I'm sweating.
Wow.
Ya solo
Dude, you are sweating.
I know, dude.
Dude, you are sweating.
Dude, it was hot.
It was hot.
It was hot. You don't sweat.
And then they're just like standing there for like 3 to 5 minutes at a time. I'm like, how do you do that?
Savages. Not just that. They do this every day.
Yeah, no kidding.
That's an important point that I want. They get inspected. So this facility, I'll say this again. I'll ask David, but like this facility gets inspected every day. I believe by the USDA. Somebody physically comes in here to inspect it
Every single day?
every day.
Oh, wow.
That's crazy, huh?
That is crazy.
Like because I think they're wholesaling, so they have to maintain some sort of standard.
Oh.
Right here. Okay, so I got everything, the different cracklings here. Angel is gonna taste them after this, but I guess we'll start here. This is the one without any. This is the one without any meat. So this is just like the skin. I told her to put a bunch of different little ones in there, so the little one got stuck. But yeah, this is the one without any meat. It's just the skin. Boom. You know. That's actually crunchy. All right, and then,
Did you like it?
oh yeah, it was great. What does it not look like?
Well, I mean, you didn't tell me if you liked it or not.
Oh, it's fantastic. I'm sorry. I thought that was just already like assumed. Yes, I loved. Okay, I'm gonna be honest with you. It's good, but I just think you're missing out. You're missing out on like the real experience. You can pass by if you want. All right, the next level is like it's got the layer of fat, right? It's got the layer of fat, and then it's got a little bit of meat. I forgot what it's called. I will call it chicharrón con un poquito de carne. Ah, shit, I shouldn't have done that.
Is it the paella?
Paella, no,
not paella.
wrong cuisine. It's the pellejo.
Okay.
Here we go. Oh, come on.
Wow, the way that.
Yeah, dude. And it's just mainly fat, so. Better. In my opinion, okay? Everybody likes things different. From the other level, it's just you're taking away a lot of the goodness, which is the fat. Now we're on a different world. We're in a different world. And we're about to get to a different universe. Oh. Bro.
Was it fat? What was it?
Yeah, dude, it's amazing. It's got like, honestly, it's just fat. It's just fat.
Oh, that seems like my kind of chicharrón.
Yeah. It's like crunchy on the outside. Oh my god, dude. The inside is, it's fatty and just salty enough to where it's addicting. I probably can't eat too much of this, but
you keep going.
we're trying level 3. This is the chicharrón con carne. It's also got fat. This is what I love. This is what I live for, actually. This little place right here does it better than anyone I've ever had. You see this? It's huge. Oh, it's perfectly cooked. Perfectly cooked meat. The fat is in there. Actually, this piece is kind of crazy because it doesn't have as much fat as it usually does. So I think this is actually better. Crunchy on the outside. The meat is just perfect for you to chew on. That fat comes in and it says, "Hey, what's up, man? You're living life." This is amazing. This is incredible. 10 out of 10. Like one of the best parts, in my opinion, of our cuisine as Mexicans. I don't even know if it's Mexican. It's amazing. Angel, you gotta try this. Chicharrones con carne, at least that's what I call them, from Martinez Cracklings here in downtown El Paso.